In this video playlist, we'll explain what the USDFLD subroutine in Abaqus is and what it's used for. We'll cover its applications, how it's written, and what its parameters are. By the end, you'll learn how to write a USDFLD subroutine for a specific case where the stress is extracted, and if it exceeds a certain threshold, the elastic modulus is reduced. Finally, we'll analyze a model in Abaqus using this subroutine and review the results. Stay tuned.
The USDFLD subroutine is one of the subroutines in Abaqus that can be used for various purposes. Its primary application is defining the material behavior by the user, which in many cases can replace the UMAT subroutine while being much simpler. In this video playlist, we will first discuss the USDFLD subroutine, its applications, and its parameters. After that, we will write the USDFLD subroutine code in Fortran for a problem. In this case, the subroutine will be used to reduce the material's stiffness when the stress exceeds a certain threshold. Finally, we will explain how to call the subroutine in Abaqus and the necessary settings in Abaqus for modeling, step by step. By following this approach, you will be able to use the USDFLD subroutine code for your own models. However, for simplicity, in this video, we only explain the parameters of the subroutine used in the problem code. There are many other parameters, including step time and others, that can also be used in the USDFLD subroutine. To get familiar with them and gain a complete understanding of the topic, you can check out our educational package, the link to which is in the description. In that package, we have various workshops where we solve different problems, and for each problem, we use different parameters of this subroutine as needed. By the way, if you're interested, we have uploaded the Fortran code and the Abaqus input file used in this video playlist for free on our GitHub page, the link to which is in the description. You can download them there. I hope this playlist is helpful for you. Feel free to leave your comments and let us know if you have any questions or points regarding this subroutine. Additionally, since these videos are uploaded weekly, I recommend subscribing to our channel so you'll get notified as soon as a new video is uploaded.